Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is not a makeup tutorial, it's about this bun right here. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this bun, and I do get a lot of questions like how I make my bun to look this thick, fat, fabulous, high, Instagram bun. You know what I mean? So because I have very thin hair, I cannot achieve this bun with my own hair. So I have to use extensions. And actually I do use a high ponytail, fake ponytail. I don't know how to describe that. And actually to achieve this bun is super easy and cheap. So if you're interested to see how I achieve this bun using a high ponytail, then please keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to put my hair up into a bun. You can just do a high ponytail and then blend your hair with the extensions. I'm not going to do that because I don't like those crazy hairs pointing in every direction, messing with my bun. So today I'm going for that sleek, high, Instagram bun, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to put my hair into a bun. I have a hair tie, I have a lot of bobby pins, I do have hair combs. So I'm going to put my hair into a bun. Actually I washed my hair yesterday night, so I'm not going to put any hairsprays today because I don't want to wash my hair again after this video. If your head doesn't hurt because of your bun, that means you're not trying hard enough, okay? So I'm going to do this bun very high and sleek and tight. And as you can see, my hair is very silky, so it kind of slides because it's clean. So you can clearly see that I don't have that much hair, okay? So it's like impossible for me to get that high, thick bun, you know what I mean? So that's why I have to use extensions. So I'm going to smooth those bumps. I feel like it's looking pretty nice so far. Next I'm going to wrap this. Like I'm going to twist this and then I'm going to wrap it. Like I'm going to make this super small. Now I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to pin this down. 2 bobby pins because to make it more secure. Alright, so you can see how small my bun is and my baby hairs are living. Alright, so I feel like it's pretty tight and sleek. Probably now I would apply some hairspray to flat down my baby hairs, but I'm not going to do that because I washed my hair. I don't like to put any products when I have my hair clean, so I'm not going to do that. So as you can see, I do have some shorter hair, so I'm going to pin that with some bobby pins. Alright, so this is the final result. Thank you so much. No, I'm just kidding. Next I'm going to show you my high ponytail that I got from Amazon, and it was €9.45 or something like that. And it's not that bad actually. I did wear this a couple of times in public, not just in my videos, and from far you cannot tell, like you cannot tell that this is synthetic hair, but if you touch it, then yeah, this feels like plastic, like synthetic, you know what I mean? And yeah, this is called wraparound ponytail with clip because it does has a little clip in here. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that. So it has a little clip and then it has a velcro and this strand, so you can wrap it around to hide this velcro band. This is a little bit weird, but I think it's well made because I didn't got any shedding. So you have the mesh in here. I don't know how much you can see on camera, but you have this mesh so you can hide your little bun or your ponytail in here. And yeah, it's weird because here on the top is very sleek and shiny, and then on the bottom this looks like my natural damaged hair, like literally. You can see how fluffy this is on the bottom. This strand is curly because you have to wrap it around this band. And yeah, the quality is not amazing, but I feel like this is well made, so I like to wear this more into a bun, then I like to wear it as a high ponytail because this gets tangled like crazy. So I'm not even joking, I brush this, looks like brushed, and then I go over with my comb and it's tangled again. So I do like to wear this to make my buns huge, gigantic, ginormous. So the bottom looks more like a natural hair, that's why it's weird. I'm not good at hair. I like to wear my hair either up into a bun or down straighten. So yeah, okay, let's do this. Alright, so first I'm going to put this into my back and I'm going to clip this right in the center of my bun, like with the actual clip that it came. I'm going to clip this here and then I'm going to hold this very tight and I'm going to wrap it around. So I'm going to keep this hair as flat as I can as I'm wrapping it around this ponytail so I don't get any bumps, so it doesn't look weird. That makes sense. I'm going to wrap it very tight and that's the end. I'm going to pin it down right here on the back. I'm going to put a lot of bobby pins because I want this to be very tight and secure. So feel free to use as many bobby pins you feel. So this looks very cute and my baby hairs are living their best life. I end up with this high ponytail. It's kind of cute, but today I'm not looking for a ponytail. Today I'm going for that high thick bun. So I'm going to carefully brush this and then I'm going to twist it, but just on here on the top when I said that this is super silky. So I'm going to twist it just a few times and then I'm going to create that bun. So this is the only part I want to be twisted. Now I'm going to let it go and then I'm going to make this as flat as I can as I'm wrapping this around. I don't know if I make sense, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And don't worry about those hairs, we're going to fix that. So I'm going to make this super flat. I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to hide those crazy hairs. I feel like that's not high enough. So I'm going to pull this up carefully. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So this is what I got left. So I'm going to put this right underneath. Like right on the bottom of the bun. And I'm going to pin that in there. And also I'm going to use a lot of bobby pins because I want this to be very secure and tight. And I do have two types of bobby pins. This is kind of bending here. I don't know how to explain that, but it has those waves. And then I have this one that they are like simple, classic. I don't really like the classic ones. I don't feel like this holds my hair as tight as I would like to. It's okay because that's what I have right now. I do lose them like crazy. Alright, I think that's secure. And I feel like I should probably did this a little bit more further, more in the center of my head. But I'm going to go with this and you can see my baby hairs, they are crazy. So I'm going to pull a little bit more because this is not high enough. But be very careful. Don't mess it too much. So don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it kind of looks perfect. Okay, so I do have this little hair in here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pin it down. I'm going to insert a bobby pin in here. So I don't want to apply any hairspray on my hair because my hair is clean, so I don't want to wash it after this video. I hope you guys understand. But I'm going to spray my baby hairs with some water. This is a spray water spray. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm going to wet them and then I'm going to lay them flat with a brush. And then I'm going to lay them flat with this brush, teasing brush. I think this is a teasing brush, I don't know. Alright guys, so that's it. This is how I make my buns super thick, fat and fabulous. I'm just kidding. So you can totally achieve this with hair clips, extensions, but I feel like they are kind of painful because you have to clip them upside down, and if you don't have enough hair to cover those clips, they will show up. So I feel like this is super practical. Like, you can see any clips, any velcro, any headband, any bands, anything. I do have a lot of bobby pins in the back. I'm going to show you the back in a second. But yeah, this is kind of heavy, I'm not going to lie, but like looks like my hair, you know what I mean? So I'm not going to lie, in the back doesn't look as cute as in the front, but I really don't care. I mean, as long as this looks cute right here, I really don't care what happens in the back. Like, what's in the back stays in the back and I don't care, okay? This is how it looks in the back, and I told you, it's not cute, but it's okay. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Oh my god, my phone is going wild again because Dominic Cosmetics posted my picture again. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm going to cry. What? Fabulous, fabulous. My back hurts so much. BUN. Hi guys, welcome back. Today's makeup look. No, it's not a makeup look. What the heck? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? For that sleek high bun. That was my chancla. Okay? Oh my god. Probably I make no sense. I'm sorry for that. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.